Hi everyone, welcome back to eNoble Kendra. And in this video, we are going to be learning about play script writing. So let's start. A play script writing always starts with the title. For example, if I take Three Little Pigs, and then we go to the characters. Characters are the people who act in the story. In characters, we tell the character's name and a little about the character. For example, Wolf, a cunning little creature. Piggy, a smart little pig and the eldest child. Liggy, a clever little pig and the middle child. Tiggy, a dumb little pig and the smallest child. And Mommy Pig, a lovely, kind and caring little mom. There are many versions of Three Little Pigs. I may be telling a different version. We always start with, after characters, we move on to scene. Scene is where the act is taken place in. For the story Three Little Pigs, the scene 1 will be with Mommy Pig in the house. Then we move on to narrators. Narrators are the people who tell a little about the characters, where the act is taken place in, and what are they doing. For example, narrator. In a large forest, they left 3 pigs with their mom. Mommy Pig was teaching the 3 how to be responsible and giving the guidance to make their own house. So that's what the narrator tells. Then the characters start. The characters start to act. After writing the character's name, for example, Mommy Pig, we give a colon, which are 2 dots, 1 up and 1 down. And then a bracket. In the bracket, we write in how type of emotion or feeling they should be talking. For Mommy Pig, we can say colon, bracket, in a responsible way. Then we tell the act. We start to give out the lines. Children, you are now big enough to go on your own. According to your wisdom, you're going to build your house. Then, the narrator. So we've learned some basic about play script writing. So now I'm just going to tell the story in a play script version. If you're doing this in an act, you don't need to say in a responsible way. You have to just act out. Narrator. All the 3 brothers obeyed their mom and they started building their house. Scene 2. Outside. 3 pigs on their own. Tiggy. Carelessly. I will just build a house out of straw. It will be easy and I don't need to keep much effort. Narrator. So Tiggy built his house out of straw. Liggy. Happily saying, I think I'll build my house out of sticks. It will be fast and also a little strong. Piggy. Wisely. I think I'll make my house out of bricks, although it will take a while. Narrator. So all the 3 made their houses and were happy with their results. There was a forest nearby. In that forest, there used to live a wolf. The wolf had planned to eat all the pigs. So, one by one, he went to their houses. Wolf. Cunningly. Knock, knock. Open the door. Tiggy. Angrily. No, I won't. Wolf. Then I'll huff and puff and blow your house away. Narrator. So the wolf huffed and puffed and blew his house away and ate the first pig, Tiggy, and went to Liggy's house. As I told you before, this may be a different version. Wolf. Knock, knock. Open the door or I will blow your house away. Leggy, no, I won't. Anyways, you won't be able to blow my house away. Narrator, so the wolf huffed and puffed and blew his house away and ate the second pig, Liggy, and went to Piggy's house. Wolf, knock, knock. Open the door or else I will huff and puff and blow your house away. Piggy, no, I won't. Narrator, so the wolf huffed and puffed and tried to blow his house away, but he could not. Piggy, ha ha ha, ha ha ha. Narrator, but the wolf had an idea. He thought of getting through the chimney, but when he tried, Piggy had started a fire below, and the wolf fell right into the fire and burned his back. Wolf, ah! The end. Thank you. But before you go, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Also ring the notification bell to stay in touch with our YouTube videos. Then, bye.